This is why you need to check your sweet tooth, because it could earn you $1,000. Want to get paid to taste test pies? Here's how to score this delicious gig. Finance Buzz is hiring a chief pie correspondent to sample holiday pies from stores like Costco, Trader Joe's, Walmart, and more. You'll taste 3 to 5 pies, take some pics, and write quick reviews. That's it. They'll pay you $1,000 plus $500 to cover pie costs. All you need is to be 18 or older and live in the US. Sound tasty? Apply before November 12th at financebuzz.com. Thanksgiving side hustle. Ready, set, pie.